All right, so we're looking at the Razer OROCHI version 2 white edition. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. It's a wireless mouse. It is an optional using 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth. And I needed something to go with my new MacBook. I like the Magic Mouse, but I did not like the price tag of $80 for one. This was literally maybe a quarter of the price. I can't remember exactly. But if you look at the specs on this online, it's got a lot of good reviews. It's got a lot of good specs. I like the option of being able to use this on multiple devices. It will work with a AA or a AAA battery. It comes with a AA battery, so you're good to go right out of the box. And it's a brand name battery. It's an Energizer. It's not a, off-brand battery that's going to last you 20 minutes. And it says the battery will last up to 950 hours of use. That's pretty good, considering that's about comparable to what I get on my old Magic Mouse. Now, I've already taken it out of the box and got it set up. Setup was super simple. On the bottom here, you've got a switch. You turn it off, you put it on 2.4 or Bluetooth, and it's ready to go. Obviously, you make your connection via Bluetooth on your Mac or your laptop or computer, whatever you're hooking it up to. And inside the case, there's actually a dongle. If you need the 2.4 gigahertz dongle plugged into a USB port on one of your computers or whatever. I do not have one, so I had to get something that was Bluetooth capable. The thing is super light, even with the battery inside. I mean, I don't even know how to describe it. It's actually really light. It's probably 5 times, the Magic Mouse is probably 5 times heavier than this little thing right here. And it fits my hands, no problem. It will operate without a mouse pad. It will operate on white, black. So far I haven't found anything that won't operate on. So that's pretty decent. It's got good curvature. Buttons on the side, scroll wheel on top, double left and right clicks. I just hooked it up, so I'm still getting used to a mouse on such a small screen here, but yeah, it's working good so far. Slide pads, grip pads, whatever you want to call them. I'm trying to think of what else we need to say about it. It does feel, it is plastic. It does feel like plastic. So if you don't like that plastic feel, don't get a standard mouse. That's all there is to it. You'll have to go to a mouse that's either made of metal or something that's made of glass, or at least glass like plastic like this one. This is a combination of the aluminum and that Gorilla plastic or whatever they call it. But yeah, for my purposes, it's something I can just throw away. If it breaks, no problem. I can toss it in a bag without having to worry about it getting broken or chipping. All right. So yeah, definitely look into this. Inexpensive, Bluetooth capability. Haven't had any connectivity issues with it yet. Switch to 2.4 gig and you're good to go. PC, Mac, neat little design on there, something a little bit different. Let's see if I can get this to zoom. There's the model number. Yeah, so check it out. It's made in Germany. Oh, hold on. I guess it's made in Thailand, but the company's from Germany. Interesting. Anyway, if you're interested, I will put a link in the description below. I can't guarantee the price because I think when I bought it, there was a coupon that was automatically applied for like 10% off. So check it out. Maybe the coupon still applies to you. All right, well, on to the next.